Hello and welcome. In this video we will be going to see the review of Redmi Note 5 Pro Evolutionx ROM version 4.4. So I will show you how its performance is, how its battery is, and other features also. So first of all, let's see what Android version we get. We get Android 10 in this ROM. You can see here Redmi Note 5 Pro Android 10 version, and I have installed Agni kernel with it to improve the performance and battery. So apart from kernel part, we get other features also, which we will see in settings. You can see here it's almost like Google Pixel device. In battery we get battery saver, and battery life is also good. It's about 7 to 8 hours I'm getting, and I'm a normal user, not a gaming user. And you can see here you can use smart charging also, and you can see here battery usage 2 hours ago and 18 hours left. It is because of this performance. I haven't played any games. So after battery we go into display. Here we get dark theme, brightness level, lock screen display, and night light, adaptive brightness, live display, styles and wallpapers, which are we can see here. Here are the styles. We can also create arts, and some of them are created here already. And in clock we can set the clock on the lock screen. We have these styles, and after that we have wallpapers. You can see here live wallpapers and Google wallpapers also, and screen timeout, rotation, font size, display size, and all. You can also set the smallest width of the pixels, and tap to wake features is also here. So after display we go into sound. Here we get all the controls, increasing volume, and vibration and haptics, live caption, and other things. We also get phone ringtone. We see pixel sound is installed automatically, and here we can see we have pixel sounds, and yes, this is the settings for sounds. And in security we get face unlock, fingerprint, all are working fine. There is no bug inside it. And we get digital well-being also. It is also working fine. There is no bug. And in Xiaomi part we get the headphone gain, microphone gain, the sound enhancer, and we also get FPS overlay. We can see here the FPS overlay are here, and backlight dimmer, display calibration for better colors, and quality of display, ambient display gestures. And this feature is also good. Enable USB fast charging when you are connected to a 3.0 USB port. After that we move on to evolver part. Here we can see all the customization like themes. We can change themes here. We can also change the QS header bar and QS tiles, transparency, and all we get here. And status bar, notifications, quick settings, power menu, gestures, swipe to screenshot is perfectly working, 3-finger swipe screenshot, and lock screen, navigation, Android 10 navigation is perfectly working. As you can see here, I change here, it changes. So it's working perfectly, and there is no bug inside it. And we can also change animation of list scrolling, or animation open or close, and others also. In miscellaneous we get the gaming mode, double tap to wake up is also working here, and USB configuration, disable device identify restrictions, and all. We can set here alarm blocker, time in state, and all. Those settings also are here to improve battery life. And at last we will move on to Pubg, where we will see which graphics we can play. So you can see Pubg is here, and we will move on to settings. We will see how is the graphics. We can see we get support of HD and high frame rate, and I will recommend you that you use smooth and high for best performance. HD is also working good, but there is some issue with kernel where we get device get warm. So it is working fine. You can play PUBG in HD. And that's all for this video. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. If you want me to make a video on more other ROMs, you can suggest me in comment box. Thanks for watching.